Haiti is the poorest, least stable, and most environmentally degraded country in the Caribbean. The environmental degradation has had severe social and economic implications for the country, especially in the rural communities. This has made the Haitian population extremely vulnerable to crop yield inefficiencies, water use inefficiencies, and major flooding events. This is especially prevalent in the southern coast, where deforestation has had a great impact on increased risk of flooding.
Basic hydrologic and climatologic monitoring is lacking in much of Haiti, inhibiting the country from understanding the hydrologic responses of many of their watersheds. Thus, the main goal of our project was to help create a monitoring system for 3 different watersheds in the region: Les Anglais, Port Salut, and Port-a-Piment. Special attention was paid to the Port-a-Piment watershed, which exemplifies the particularly tough challenges Haiti faces from its difficult and treacherous topography and overextended natural resources. We were tasked with finding, testing, and monitoring methods that would best fit the region's physical, social, and economic characteristics. We evaluated and made recommendations for weather station components, rain gauge locations and protocols, stream flow monitoring methods and locations, and water quality testing parameters. The project also included a Haiti site assessment trip, as well as local testing of the monitoring equipment that we had recommended.
A Haiti site assessment trip was completed in March 2011. Here, the travel team located an ideal location for implementing hydrological monitoring systems. The team also visited the Legacy Station, which was being hosted by a Port-a-Piment vocational school. An important objective in the project was to coordinate with CRS, the Catholic Relief Service, in setting up a water monitoring system and technical support. We considered water flow and quality monitoring programs and other initiatives to expand coverage. Finally, we discussed the desires and future involvement of the local community within the project.
An important part of our project is to actually work with schools like you and more organizations like CRS, but in particular engage students, so the students actually learn how to operate the equipment and actually make the measurements and interpret it and help the whole community understand it, the information. So both learn how to use the instruments and actually learn how to interpret the data.
It's the poverty that causes people in the floodplain to build there, but people do not have many options, so they're obliged to build here.
In order to test our methodology and instrumentation for gathering stream data, our group took a preliminary trip to Piermont, New York to test the ADV and YSI in a small flowing river. The objective was to gather data on water velocity and height of flow, which could be used to determine the discharge of the river, make sure the ADV and YSI were working, and physically experience the procedure we would carry out in Haiti.